Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you have read by the title, I'm going to be teaching you how you can be making up to £100 a day using YouTube and shrinkme.io. So firstly, what you're going to want to do is go over to YouTube and find videos, not videos, but find a genre of a video that you're into and you know that gets a lot of views. So let's say I do, I don't know, Fortnite, and you see how many views these videos are getting. Look, 883k, 650k, 19k, all of those views. So what you're going to want to do is filter this video or the search by view count. So this will be the highest viewed videos. Look, 26 mil, 12 mil, 11 mil. But I'm going to be picking, let's see here, let me just find a random one. Let's see, this one here.
Can you get to the...
What you're going to want to do now, knowing there's 2.1 mil views and this is a genre that people would like to watch and will still watch now, given the fact it's still quite new. It came out 6 days ago. You're going to grab this link of the video by clicking on the search bar. All of that should instantly be highlighted, but if not, all you have to do is hold down on your left mouse button and drag it all the way across it and click on Control C. You're going to go over to shrinkme.io and paste your URL here. You're going to click on this arrow here, and all you have to do now is make an account. We're going to go over to temp/mail.org. It's going to load us with an email address. Just wait for that to load. Should take any second. This one here, we're going to copy to clipboard by clicking on that green button. Go back over, email. Boom. Username, I'm going to make it Saint Side Hustle. Password, make it something that you can remember but no one can guess, otherwise they can get into your account and take your money. Just re-enter your password. Click on I'm not a robot, agree to the terms of use and privacy, and click on register. So once you have made your account, you should see this page here. It looks quite familiar to the CPA Grip homepage. If you guys haven't checked that video out on my page, go check it out right now. Links in description. So from here, we're going to click on new shortened link on the top left corner, and you're going to paste in your URL from earlier from your YouTube video. And you don't have to do anything else. Just click on shorten. And here we have it here, our new link. So it'll be quite long to copy this. I mean, not really, but you can just go over here and click on copy. Now that's copied. Now this is how we can start getting paid. We're going to go over to many websites. We have 3 websites that we are going to be using to get our views up, because this website, if I didn't mention before, pays £20 per 1,000 views, so you can be making £100 a day easily. So for our first website, we're going to go over to reddit.com, and you probably don't have an account like I don't, so I'm going to click on this top right button of this outline of a human, click on login/sign up. Need new to Reddit, click on sign up down there, and email, you're going to go back over to temp mail, copy to clipboard, Control V, continue, make a password, click on I'm not a robot, click on continue, never save, and now you have your account. You're going to now go over, I'm just going to skip this, I'm going to pick gaming, let's see what else, interesting, and let's see, tech, I don't know, continue. Let's find a group to join. Just do gaming, continue. So now that account has been made, we're going to search up Fortnite. So you're going to search up Fortnite now in the search bar, and you're going to go to communities. Join. Look, this one here has 583,000 members. I'm going to join this group, go onto it, create post. The title is going to be 40 myths busted in Fortnite. Now for the text bit, you're going to go back over to here, copy this URL and Control V, post. So once you put in the link, you're going to go to Flare and you're going to make it anything really. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to make it Battle Royale, apply and post. So I'm back on shrinkme.io now. And now that we've put it onto Reddit, anyone who clicks on that link, we should get paid for on here. Another website we're going to go onto is Facebook. I've already made a random account that I don't use. It's just random for these types of videos, but you can always make one. It's literally the same as Reddit. I'm not going to be doing it in this tutorial. But you're going to search up Fortnite, and it should just have all of these here. So we're going to go to this one, and we're going to put our Shrink Me link in here and post it. And lastly, we're going to go over to Twitter. And we're going to put our link in here and tweet it out. There we go. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.